Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Diffusion Models. Another way to generate amazing images. AI art. Imagine an image as a giant grid of tiny colored squares. Pixels. Each square has a number representing its color. A computer stores these numbers to display the image. We'll be changing these numbers to create new images. Think of noise as a completely random image, a bunch of messy colored squares. This is where our AI journey begins. We start with pure chaos. Diffusion models work backward. We start with pure noise and gradually remove the randomness. Step by step. It's like slowly sculpting a statue from a block of marble, revealing the image hidden inside. A neural network is like a super smart pattern recognizer. It learns from millions of images. Each step, it guesses how to remove a bit of noise based on what it's learned, making the image clearer. This noise removal process is iterative. We repeat the guess and refine many times. With each step, the image becomes more coherent and starts to resemble the desired output. Think of it like repeatedly applying a filter to a blurry photo. We guide the process with a prompt, a description of what image we want. This prompt subtly influences the neural network's guesses, nudging it towards our desired result. It's like giving the sculptor instructions on what to carve. After many iterations, the noise is almost gone, and we have a brand new image generated from pure randomness. The result is a unique image that is influenced by both the model's training data and the user's prompt. While the actual code is complex, think of it as a loop. Backquote for I in range. Many underscore steps. Refined underscore image equals model. Noisy underscore image. Prompt. Noisy underscore image equals refined underscore image backquote. The model takes a noisy image and a prompt, returning a refined version. Then this refined image becomes the new noisy image, until we have our final result. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.